interrupted with the libgcrypt-20 library DLL blocking GNUPG workflow. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've analyzed the conflict and I'm ready to show you the safest fix. As we get into the manual process for libgcrypt-20 library, you can find a professional maintenance utility for environment stability. This is the libgcrypt-20 library, the GNU Cryptographic Library v20. It provides localized unmanaged implementation of AES, RSA, and SHA encryption algorithms. It facilitates secure localized data stream encryption and digital signature verification for localized open source software like GIMP or Wireshark. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. If your software is failing because of libgcrypt-20 library DLL, the internal file mapping for GNUPG is likely corrupted, so reinstalling the current version of your program, showing the error, will re-register the library and fix the error. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the libgcrypt-20 library file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. Since the restart failed to clear the diagnostic error, we'll manually refresh the system counter manifests. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type locktr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance DLLs rely on accurate registry indexing to function. This step wipes the existing counter registration and forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the diagnostic manifests. Let's look at a key safety rule that will keep your PC protected while we address this error. Warning: libgcrypt-20 library DLL missing error is often a symptom of a larger issue that a simple manual download will never be able to fully resolve. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. For users who prefer structured maintenance, the link below references a tool related to managing libgcrypt-20 library dependencies. Thank you for trusting us with your system repair today. For more configuration tips and libgcrypt-20 library error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.